Hello! This short video will walk you through how to use UNI-Search. Begin by going to our library website, library.unity.edu. You will find the UNI-Search search box on our homepage. This tool searches the majority of the library's resources, including books, ebooks, and articles. It does not include our ProQuest databases. We will begin by searching for ecotourism. You will notice the results page contains a wide variety of information. The Refine Results column on the left will allow you to limit by different types of materials, including academic journals, newspapers, magazines, etc. There are other options below. The center pane includes your results. Some topics will have research starters, which gives you more information about your topic. Below that will be your results. You will notice ebooks, and print books, and journal articles. If you want to know more about an item, click on the title. This page will give you more information about the item. If there is full text, it will be linked on the left. The center pane gives you the citation information, including a description or an abstract, depending on the resource type. The right pane gives you the tools to save the information. Note the permalink, which will be helpful when linking to articles or ebooks in Canvas. You may access all of the library resources by logging in with your Unity College credentials. If you have any questions, call the library at 207-509-7110 or email library@unity.edu. Thank you!